Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Lenovo Tab M8 3rd generation. You need to start by opening Play Store on both. Then clicking on the search bar right away. In order to continue, you need to type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Nextly, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up though, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by hitting OK. Then select Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and receive Next to Send at the bottom of Lenovo. Now you can click on all of those type of dots on your Android smartphone to select all of your files from categories above. You can also just click on the chosen files. In my case, this one photo. When you finished, choose Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. In order to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key above User Guide. Now, to allow camera access, choose while using the app or only this time in the pop-up. Then point your Lenovo's camera at the code. If you want to input this key though, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers correctly. Lastly, click on Receive button in order to connect. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!